With a lot of snowfall occurring yesterday in the Ozark Plateau and elsewhere, we've been seeing some concerning reports indicating that the de-icing on the roads has not been working as well as what we were thinking it would. Due to the extreme cold temperatures, regular salt and other variables like that are not working as well or not working at all, so they've had to transition to other types of de-icing like sand to try to get the snow off. It's been a very powerful type of storm this week, and we will continue to keep you updated here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because